here, and this is my absolute favorite season of the year. Fall is where I feel like we have fresh beginnings. I feel like the cool, crisp air is so refreshing. Just all the nostalgia of what fall represents for me is so comforting to me. And of course, fall fashion is one of my favorite things ever. So one of the things that fall is so good for is for layering, because the temperature varies so much throughout the day, from like the really cold mornings and evenings to the warmer afternoons. And so layering is a really important part of dressing in the fall season. And so I'm going to show you a few outfits here of some of my favorite outfits that I like putting together during the fall. And this is really a video to give you some ideas and inspiration on how you can layer some of the outfits in your own closet with some of the clothes that you might already have. So I do apologize in advance, because a lot of the pieces that I'm styling in this video are all pieces that I've had in my closet for a really long time. And that's something that I really enjoy doing, is to wear and rewear and restyle my clothes that I have, rather than keep buying new and sort of accumulating. Whatever pieces that I can find, I will link below, or whatever I can find similar of, I will link below to the extent that that's helpful to you. But I really just wanted to make this video to give you a little bit of inspiration and ideas on how to put together some outfits for the fall, because it can be a little bit tricky. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm just referencing some of the cutaways that I've already filmed on the outfit so I can talk you through it. So pardon me if I'm looking down. So the first outfit I'm going to show you is one I've worn over and over again throughout the fall season, the last several years. And it's really anchored by this really beautiful Burberry vest. It's made of suede on the body, but it's lined with sheepskin, and it's so warm. That's what this outfit is anchored by. So I'm wearing it with a regular pair of dark wash or medium wash jeans, and they are skinny jeans. I'm wearing it with a classic pair of black booties. On the top, I am wearing it with a beautiful burgundy cashmere crewneck sweater. And then of course I layered it with the Burberry vest. And to add a little bit more color and dimension, adding that Burberry scarf over around my neck is just the perfect finishing piece. This whole outfit keeps me warm throughout the chillier temperatures. It's the quintessential fall outfit in my opinion. The Burberry check really adds something special to the entire outfit. I'm pairing that Burberry outfit with one of my favorite handbags. That's the Pochette Matisse. I feel like the simplicity of the satchel feel and the way you just carry it like that is very effortless, very casual. The burgundy sweater is such a fall color, and the fact that it's cashmere, it's a much lighter material, but it really does keep you warm and is very functional for the season. So putting this all together with a very casual pair of blue jeans just makes this outfit very wearable and, in my opinion, very stylish. Okay, so the next outfit I'm wearing with my absolutely favorite pair of faux leather trousers. They are maybe like 6 years old. So I've featured these in my video many times before, and a lot of people have asked me where I've gotten them. It is from Aritzia, but they don't make this style anymore. It's a really flattering pair of faux leather trousers, and I paired it with a classic white blouse. And this blouse is from Zara. It's super old as well, but I really love how romantic it is. It's got a really nice drape around the neck and the V-neck. It's got a really nice drape on the shoulders and arms. It's very elevated and clean white blouse. Pardon the stain on the sleeve. I didn't notice that until afterwards. So I have worn this obviously, and I layered it with a beautiful asymmetric gray vest. I've had this gray vest for, it's well over 11 years. I would say it's probably closer to 13 years. And this is such a really easy layering piece. It's got some subtle texture to it. The asymmetry of the vest makes it a little bit more interesting. It's short on the back and longer along the front. I paired it with a Gucci Marmont velvet cobalt blue handbag, and I just love the way all of these mesh together. I feel like the cobalt blue is a really nice pop of color. Obviously the velvet is very fall-like. The faux leather color also screams autumn too. I feel like this outfit is really great if you're going to work or going to a meeting, and it's something very elevated, but also very comfortable. And these shoes that I'm wearing with it, super comfortable because it's got ankle straps. These are a pair of heels that are actually very wearable because they're not very high, and it's got a little bit of edge to it as well, which I think ties in nicely with the trousers. Okay, the next outfit I'm going to share with you is another favorite. It's also pairing it with the same Aritzia faux leather trousers, and I'm pairing it with this really beautiful Gucci blouse. It's got the sweetest little multicolor pussy bow, which really adds much more interest to the outfit, a little bit more texture, a little bit more color, and even layering effect, and you'll see what I mean by that. I mean, if you look at the colors, it's very fall-esque. All the tiny little florals are just so gorgeous, and even like the cuffs are a different color. The button down area is a different color from the rest of the body. So there's a lot of interest going on. So I just tucked that into another beautiful wool vest. It's one of my favorites. It's one I wear every year, multiple times, with so many different outfits throughout the fall and the spring, because it's such a great layering piece. And because it's a really thick wool, it really does keep my core warm. So I love that. And it's by MM6 Maison Margiela. I just really love how edgy that vest is. It's so comfortable. It just elevates every outfit, but in a very casual way. And so it's so wearable. I can zip it up, I can keep it unzipped, and it gives totally different looks or different vibes. I paired it with one of my favorite handbags again, and that's the Louis Vuitton side trunk in this gorgeous cognac color. I feel like it just all ties in really well together. All the colors really marry well together for the fall. It gives you the fall feelings. It just, I feel like, is such a great fun outfit. I think the outfit is very classic in the sense that it's just this beautiful patterned Gucci blouse, which has got really classic cut to it. And then the trousers make it a little bit more edgy because it's faux leather. And then the vest also kind of edges it up too. And so I just kind of love that combination. But then again, that handbag kind of anchors it back to being classic. So it kind of plays on both sides. And I really like having that push and pull when I'm dressing. So I find that to be a really interesting way of dressing. So that's how I finished the outfit up, and I really love it. Okay, another really fun outfit that I put together in the spirit of layering is putting on a pair of very simple black leggings. I also have this beautiful oversized silk Burberry blouse, and it is the smallest size I think that you can get, but it's very oversized, as you can see. So I buttoned it almost all the way up. I left a little bit open on the last couple of buttons just to show a little bit of neck and collarbone, but I layered it with this beautiful thick red zip-up sweater. It is by Iro. I got it maybe 2 years ago, I can't remember. It's one of my favorite pieces to layer with. Number one, it is so warm, and it is also so comfortable. So this is one of my go-to outfits, is to layer it on top of my oversized Burberry blouse. This very casual, oversized kind of look is very wearable, and then you can also make it a little bit more fun and interesting by adding tall boots. Tall black boots, you know, whether it be black or brown, in this case black, is such a great way to elevate an outfit and just lean a little bit more into the fall vibes. I added another oldie but goodie handbag, which is my Speedy B25, and mine is in the monogram, so it is personalized, but I feel like that just ties in the casualness of this whole outfit and makes it very effortless and very warm and functional. I feel like this whole outfit really leans into weekend vibes or any kind of casual vibe, and is just such an easy, comfortable, functional, and warm outfit for the fall. And it's also one of my favorites that I've worn many times over in the past, one that I wanted to share with you. The next outfit I'm gonna share with you is a pair of blue jeans, but they're flared blue jeans. These, I believe I got from H&M many years back, pre-pandemic. I always kind of have to measure things pre-pandemic, post-pandemic. Anyway, I paired it with this beautiful blouse by Cezanne that I got last year, and it's got some florals all throughout, and it's this cream colored floral, so I really love kind of the small patterns on it. I tucked it in, and then I layered it with one of my favorite Theory sweaters. Now this sweater is exactly 20 years old. I got it, I used to go to a lot of sample sales in like the early 2000s. Back then, sample sales were like invite only, and I had a friend whose sister worked for Saks and was a buyer there, and so we used to get invited to a lot of the sample sales back then. So I used to go to the Theory sample sale a lot, and that's where I got it from. And again, 20 years ago, and I love it. It's such a great warm piece, and I layered it on top of this blouse. I feel like the shape of the sweater is very casual, but also very structured at the same time with the shoulders, and I really love that combination. The color is also this very soft oatmeal, which really ties really nicely with the details of the blouse and the pattern of the florals on the blouse, so I love that. And I felt like this look was a little bit retro because of the flared jeans and the placement of the pockets, so I wanted to add a retro kind of handbag. Again, another Louis Vuitton piece, and it's my Dauphine MM bag, and so I'm wearing it as a shoulder bag here, and I think the vibe goes really well together. I just love all of the pieces and how they kind of tie in together. It feels very fluid, it feels very natural, it feels very put together in a casual way, and again, the whole point is to be very functional too. You want a warm outfit that you can sort of peel off the layers as the day gets warmer, and no matter what you do as you peel off one layer, it's still gonna be a really nice outfit. Okay, so the last outfit I'm gonna share with you is what I would call like your quintessential apple picking outfit, okay? So this is super casual, very easy, and probably something a lot of people can put together. I started this outfit with a pair of light blue skinny jeans, and I am wearing it with a really soft flannel plaid shirt. Mine is by Ralph Lauren, and it's got these really adorable teddy bears embroidered all throughout the shirt, and it is so cute. I couldn't resist. I got this from the outlet a couple of years ago, and it's one of my favorite plaid shirts. Actually, I think it's my only plaid shirt, so I get a lot of wear out of it because of that. And then over that, you just layer it with a really cute quilted vest. The one that I have is also from Ralph Lauren. I got that, again, probably 20 years ago, but it's very classic. I'm sure you can find something similar to it anywhere else. It doesn't even have to be this kind of quilted look, because sometimes I think when you get a quilted vest like this, it kind of looks a little bit more equestrian than maybe I want it to look, especially when you pair it with a pair of tall brown boots like I did here. But it's very casual, it's really comfortable, very fall appropriate, and very picturesque when you've got like a bag of apples in a field of apple trees with your family. I mean, this is your quintessential apple picking, apple orchard outfit, and it's a lot of fun, again, but very comfortable, and playing with layers again. So those are all the outfits that I put together, and again, focusing really on just layering for the fall. I know fall dressing can be a little bit tricky sometimes because you're like, it's too cold, then it gets too warm, and the temperature fluctuation can really throw us for a loop when it comes to dressing. Out of all these looks, I would really love to know what's your favorite outfit, and share them with me in the comments below. So I hope this gave you some good ideas on how to layer for the fall, and that you get a little bit of inspiration. And if you found this video helpful, I would really love it if you can give it the thumbs up. If you enjoyed this video, then go ahead and binge watch some of my other videos here, and I will see you next time.